What you guys are doing is super interesting because when we think about this customer data platform market, we think about the need for data unification. Even the example I just gave was very marketing focused, right? You have this customer and you're pointing these use cases towards personalizing a website, personalizing an email, even giving a call center rep a better view of the customer so they can have a personalized experience. But that's very sort of end user focused. Now, what I always thought was fascinating is I think marketing may be the least interesting use case for this data unification. And in your case, when you think about revenue operations, you think about the CRO who's trying to get clean data to clean up his funnel, to give his outbound sales organization the right tools so they can succeed. You're right. He doesn't care about unification. He doesn't care. He might care about data quality, but he's not thinking about data quality. So now you can take that data from a centralized source, which may not be in the best shape, as we know, sales data rarely is, right? And then do lead scoring, do quality on it, and deliver to that endpoint, which in your case is the sales consumer or the CRO and his organization, the clean data they need to go and attack their funnel, right? And build sales. So we see, and we're partnered, obviously, Salesforce and RingLead, because our customers depend on you for things like scoring and routing and data quality. But I see use cases across sales, service, e-commerce, in-store commerce, and of course, marketing and advertising. And every single line of business gets better with cleaner, better data.
Yeah, absolutely. Our customers, they're running a CRM like Salesforce. They're running one or two or three marketing automation systems. They're running a help desk. They're running some ERP system. And their data is just not unified across the systems. So what do? They say, I've got to get this organized. I'm going to put it all into this common repository that's in some CDP or MDM or even a data warehouse. And the problem is these are great repositories and they have great database capabilities, very often relational database technologies that are very good and scale well. But you know something? They don't do the data orchestration. They don't do the data management. They don't do the hardcore scoring and enriching and getting rid of duplicates. And if you don't do that, you don't get the reliability. Your sales force, your salespeople just don't have the data that they can count on every day. And what happens is ultimately they get slowed down. Their productivity really gets affected.